We are here with the red moon. Wait, I'ma just get a glimpse. The red moon. Wait, where'd it go? The red moon. Why is there a red moon? And I got a bit of a gossip. My little friend here is crying when the red moon came out. And that friend of mine is kinda makulit. So don't you think it's caused by the red moon? Oh! I can't believe there's a red moon right... Wait. What does a red moon even mean? I'm gonna search it up in Google. Well, anyways, where'd it go? I lost it. There we go. My God, my God, my God. My God, there's a red moon. I need to get my glimpse. Where'd it go? I wonder why does red moons even exist? Wait, no. Unless it could be... Wait. Unless it could be the blood moon. Oh my God! It turns every bad people and they make it cry. So that red moon in the sky, it's flying, dead or high. Can't believe we got a spot of a red moon. Well, there's a red moon. Can't you believe it? Look, it's a red moon. I'm gonna show you in my camera. Look, it's a red moon. Look at my camera, brother. It's the red moon. iPhone? That would be super. That's not a red moon. That is. That's Mars. Don't you? It's up there. Oh wait. The moon is up there. Don't tell me this is a planetary alignment. You gotta tell the others. Wait, no. There's no moon. That thing is a real red moon.
I think it's over Mars.
Nope, it's not Mars. Bro, red moon talaga yun. Kala namin si Mars kasi yung planetary alignment.
Yeah, this is a...
Kaso nalaman namin, wala yung palang moon sa taas. Mga stars lang yun. Ay, ito pala pinsan ko.
This is a moon. This is a sun.
Hello.
Hey! Just watch! Just watch the...
Yeah, I'm gonna watch.
Just
I'm gonna watch. Oh, chill. Chill, hinahanap ko ng...
Chilling.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Huwag maingay.
Scan mo na. Ayun yung araw.
iPhone yan? Hindi, Samsung. Oo nga, red nga ni. Isip mo red. Tapos kulay blue.
Patay na daw.
Wait, sino yun? Ay, si Jarek. Wait lang, hinahanap ko lang yung perfect spot. Wait lang, stand back.
May nakita alien.
Oh, Jarek,
Sabi nga
stand back.
ng alien. Ay, star lang yun.
Moon.
Paano tayo makakita yung moon?
Wait lang.
Ayun ang kulay red, oh. Parang masisira yun eh.
Uy, nawawala
ng signal.
Ha! Hindi yung moon.
Isa pa. Just go to the max.
Ito nga na yung max. Naku, hindi ko na.
Hindi naman makakita.
Kanina, oo.
Ay, isend mo yan. Isend mo yung stop.
Yun! May signal! Dito!
Oh! May nakuryente! Ay, may kuryente!
Walang kuryente. Mga...
Sige, videoan mo.
Hindi. Hoy, ref phenomenon to. Guys,
Maglalagay tayo nito YouTuber. Sisisi agad tayo. YouTuber tayo!
oo nga. Tingnan nyo.
Hello mga guys! Hello mga guys! Yan ang Red Moon! Ito na po, Red Moon! Ayan po natin!
This thing is a rare phenomenon. So please,
subscribe!
yes, like and subscribe because we found
My channel!
yeah, Jarek's channel and my channel. This is one of the rarest things we've seen. Tingnan nyo dito, uy. Sorry po. Tingnan nyo dito.
Is that the rarest block? I need to take it. It is yellow. What the red? What is this red? Lava yan. Check my YouTube. Okay. Palda, tuloy na ako. 10 likes, please.
Okay, zoom in ulit kami. Uy, jackpot yung view dito. Jackpot
tayo, guys.
Oo,
Nawawalan tayo ano?
ng view.
Nawawalan tayo ng view. Kailangan po natin like, subscribe.
Ikaw, ginagawa mo din.
Plastic button.
Hoy, wag kayo dito, nagvi-video kami. Magnood. Naku, wala tayong signal, bro.
Bro, what are you going to do? I think you just hit the
Wait lang.
1,000 like.
Yarn!
If we hit it, if we hit 50,000 k like, we going to crazy.
We ain't going crazy. We're just gonna do some real things. Yun, may jackpot yung view. Jackpot.
Meron one. Isend mo sa YouTube.
Oo nga.
Is
Wait lang.
lag. Please. No lag. Go lag. I want to go.
Hindi na. Yung mga puno kasi, hinaharang tayo.
Yung mama ko hindi ako. Uy!
Ha?
Mars yan.
Don't, so it's a planetary alignment.
Buksan mo yung TV pa ko naman.
Hoy guys! Guys!
TV pa ko ka ba? Mag-reporter ka na.
I want views, brother.
Ibon!
Bro, hindi pala yun Red Moon.
I don't see it.
Hoy! Hindi pala yun Red Moon. Alam niyo bakit? Bago na taon, may planetary alignment. Lahat ng mga planet mag-align sa single line. Tapos yan si Mars. Yan yung Mars. Si Mars. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang.
Mga guys, naglilipat-lipat sila ng mga moons.
Hindi sila naglilipat ng moons, Jarek. Kasi bagong taon. Hindi. Lahat sila bagong taon. Siyempre magpupunta.
Eat it. Very, 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 very sweet and yummy.
Sana all. So, bagong taon, siyempre may planetary alignment kung alam nyo yun. Lahat ng mga planets magla-line up. Yung makikita na natin na yun ay si Mars.
Subscribe because the Mars is...
Si Mars lang muna kita natin.
Yes, we see the Mars, but how did the Mars get our world? If he is Mars. Hey, I want to Mars. Hey,
Because
I just saw a nuclear one in the ocean. I saw a nuclear one. They won.
So, because of the planets, they're gonna line up to make a planetary alignment. So that's not a red moon. It's Mars actually.
Hoy, wait lang. Guys, okay na yan.
Hindi.
Natin sa YouTube.
Hindi, kailangan ka to.
Let's watch our YouTube. Please.
Hanap ko akong bagong view. Hanap lang ako.
Subscribe.
Si Mars, dito. Jackpot yung view, parang si Mars na to. Si Mars.
Martes.
Yun.
Then I should go home. okay? That is look pretty strange.
Si Mars.
But how did the smartest? How did the Mars get here? But the moon is
Ha ha ha.
Why? The Mars is not our planet. The moon because diba? Yung Earth ay may friend na moon.
This is vlog.
Oh! Diba? No Mars. Diba si Earth at may kaibigan ni Moon at naiikot siya sa kanya. Paano yung Mars? Ang diba